Hello viewers, we have brought to you the top 3 best mechanical keyboards review powered by the CR Review. Number 3, Alienware S Pro Gaming Keyboard delivers an uncompromised gaming experience, fusing highly customizable controls and sophisticated software with iconic design. The mechanical keyboard features Alien FX with 13 RGB lighting zones, 15 programmable macro key functions and onboard memory. Number 2, inspired by vintage typewriters and crafted with ultra-modern features, the ASIO Retro Classic is the perfect amalgam of past, present and future. A backlit mechanical keyboard with round keycaps that evoke nostalgia of yesteryear, complemented with durable zinc alloy frame and a sumptuous genuine leather surface. Utilizing feedback from our customers, we present not only the evolution of our original MK Retro, but the most luxurious mechanical keyboard available today. Number 1, Corsair K95 RGB Platinum features Cherry MX speed key switches backed by a lightweight aluminum frame, 8MB profile storage with hardware macro and lighting playback, enable profile access independent of external software, utilize the 19-zone light edge to add to dramatic animations and effects, take advantage of the 6 programmable keys for in-game macros.